Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link sections on the same page in Framer using anchor links, perfect for smooth scrolling navigation between parts of your site. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So first, you want to open your Framer on your computer and load the project you're currently working on. Now once you're inside, you want to take a look at your design and decide which element you want to use as a clickable link. Now this could be a button, text, an icon, or an image that you'll use to jump to another section on the same page. Then you want to head over to the section you want to link to. For example, this frame, I'm choosing this frame. And then what you want to do is you want to click on that section and look over to the right side of your Framer interface, this part. Now you want to scroll down until you find the scroll section, this one. Here, give your section a name. For example, let's go ahead and name this style. All right, there we go. This name acts like a tag that your button or link will target later. All right. Then let's go back to the element you want to turn into a link. So let me go ahead and scroll up. I want to choose this image. All right. So just go ahead and choose any element that you want to turn into a link, the one the users will click on. And once you've selected it, look to the right side of the screen again, and you'll find a section called link right at the top. There we go. From here, you want to select home since we're staying on the same page. And then after that, a drop-down list will appear showing all your page sections. So let's click this. And then what we want to do is to simply pick the one you named earlier. So this is the one I named earlier, style. Do that. There we go. And once you're satisfied, go ahead and click the preview icon to check your work before saving or publishing it. So let's go ahead and do just that. Let's click preview. There we go. So let's test it. Let's go ahead and click this image. And that's it. Your link is now connected to that section, as you can see. So when someone clicks it, Framer will automatically scroll down smoothly to that part of the page. And there you have it. You've just created an anchor link in Framer that lets visitors navigate your page seamlessly without loading a new one. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!